I love hair extensions, and for most of my life, having really thin, wimpy hair that won't grow any longer than this, hair extensions have been a big part of my life. I got a beautiful set of gorgeous hair extensions from Irresistible Me. Just look at how beautiful these are. They feel so soft and thick. But there's just one problem. That's not my hair color. No, that is not my hair color. So we're going to need to make these match this. Let's get to it, shall we? Most extension hair will really absorb a lot of color. So you definitely want to make sure that it's wet, completely saturated. It's a good idea to shampoo it first. I tried shampooing with just a little bit of Fanola No Yellow shampoo to see how much that would cool down the hair, and it did a pretty good job. So if you were a blonde and you just wanted an icy tone, that would be great, but it didn't quite get it silver. I really liked the tone that I was getting from the Fanola. However, it really seemed to grab purpley on the ends and not so much. Because of that unevenness of distribution of the color, I decided to try another tact. So I used Overtone conditioner and I mixed it well with water. So it was just a little of the Overtone conditioner in a big bowl of water, and then I kept plunging the hair extensions into the water until they reached the desired shade. I felt that some of them were still a little too yellow, a little too blonde, so I took some out and left them to dry, and then I took the rest and I put them back in with another batch of Overtone conditioner and a little less water, and continued to plunge them a few times until they were the right shade. The color looked good when it was wet, and it looked good when I dried them, but once I put them on, I could see that they're still a little bit blonde, but it's super easy. So I'm gonna go back and give them another plunge,